Hello everyone, in this video let's learn about the different stages of writing. So your child shows interest towards writing through scribbling and it starts from 12 months up to 18 months of age. After that slowly they get their control on the scribbles and it can be done within the shape that is given to them. Once they are doing that you can move on to dot where you can give them two dots in standing, sleeping, then diagonal in both the ways, and you can tell your child to join. Once your child is pro with that, in 2 to 3 years category only, you can give them random dots, which is basically a combination of sleeping line, standing line, it can be diagonal lines and so on, but remember it has to be lines only. Once they are done with joining the dots, the next one is to do the same thing without any dots. And once they are pro with that, from 3 years they also start doing the curves. So curves should be taught in all the ways, towards the left, towards right, up, down, circle, and also a combination of curves. For example, how we write the letter S. And once you feel that your child is pro in this as well, we go to patterns. So over here you can see patterns are basically a combination of curves and also standing line, sleeping line, or anything. Remember, you can make any kind of curve and you can ask your child to trace it, but there should always be the tracing dots. That is, if you are making it hand drawn, make sure that after drawing the solid one you also put dots so that your child can trace over it, because it's a combination of many things and it will not be easy for the child to do it without the dots. And once you feel your child is pro at this, with the help of dots, slowly you can give them without putting the dots as well. Do not go for any kind of perfection, but just make sure that your child is getting a good pencil control by tracing through these dots. And once the patterns are also done, by now your child have a very good grip of pencil. And if your child does not have a good grip of pencil, please do not go to the next step. The next step is about writing letters, which we do not go by the ABCD model, but we have a different order of teaching it. Do you want to know about that? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be definitely posting a video on that as well. Thank you. Bye bye.